Chapter 1. Invisibility was never about vanishing. The shinobi never believed invisibility meant absence. They walked through markets. They lived among people. They fulfilled responsibilities. But they removed one thing others clung to desperately: the need to be seen. They understood that danger rarely announces itself as attack. Most danger enters through exposure. When you are fully readable, others know how to provoke you. When your intentions are visible, interference arrives early. When your emotions are public, control slips from your hands. So invisibility meant selective presence. They spoke only when words changed outcomes. They revealed only what the moment required. They acted without explaining themselves. This was not secrecy, it was discipline. Ask yourself honestly, how often do you explain things that do not need explanation? How often do you reveal thoughts that weaken your position? How often do you speak and feel lighter, not stronger, afterward? The shinobi noticed that power leaked through the mouth before it ever reached the hands. Chapter 2. The cost of constant noise. Noise is not chaos. Noise is excess. Too many signals, too many words, too many demands on attention without purpose. The shinobi saw that the mind does not break under pressure. It dulls under overload. When everything feels urgent, nothing is clear. Modern life mirrors this perfectly. Notifications interrupt thought. Opinions arrive faster than reflection. Scrolling replaces stillness. You feel busy, yet unfocused. Informed, yet unsure. Connected, yet internally scattered. The shinobi trained subtraction. They removed what did not sharpen perception. They ignored what did not alter outcome. They refused to treat noise as intelligence. Less input created more awareness. Less reaction created better timing. Less information created sharper judgment. They did not know more. They saw more, because nothing unnecessary competed for attention. Chapter 3. The discipline of not responding. Silence was their strongest weapon. Not silence born of fear, but silence chosen deliberately. They understood that reaction reveals position. A fast reply shows urgency. A defense shows attachment. An explanation shows insecurity. So they slowed where others rushed. They allowed provocations to pass unanswered. They accepted misunderstanding. They let moments breathe. This restraint protected energy. Think of how many conversations drain you not because they matter, but because you felt forced to participate. The shinobi rejected this trap. They knew, not every statement deserves entry into your mind. Not every challenge requires engagement. Not every silence needs filling. When they did not react, others revealed more. When they did not explain, situations clarified themselves. Silence did not weaken them. It positioned them. Chapter 4. The strength of appearing ordinary. The shinobi avoided standing out early. They dressed simply. They spoke plainly. They blended intentionally, not because they lacked ability, but because visibility attracts pressure before readiness. Modern culture demands distinction immediately. Be unique, be loud, be seen. But early visibility creates early interference. Expectations form, judgment arrives. Progress becomes performance. The shinobi believed growth requires obscurity. When no one watches, mistakes become teachers. When no one expects, discipline grows naturally. When no one judges, patience deepens. They accepted being underestimated. This was not humility. It was freedom. Power matures best when it is left alone. Chapter 5. Emotional invisibility. Emotion was never the enemy. Display was. The shinobi felt fear. They felt anger. They felt anticipation. But they did not broadcast it. They understood that emotion, once visible, surrenders control. Anger reveals triggers. Excitement reveals attachment. Fear reveals pressure points. So they practiced non-display. They let emotion rise, exist, pass, without acting. This pause restored choice. Modern life teaches instant expression. Vent immediately, react publicly. Show everything, but every emotional reaction teaches the world how to control you. The shinobi chose unreadability. This did not make them cold. It made them precise. They responded when response mattered. They acted when timing was right. Until then, they remained still. Chapter 6. Invisibility in the digital age. Today, invisibility is not physical. It is psychological. Your location is revealed by reactions. Your mindset by comments. your attention by what you consume. Every click signals position. Digital invisibility means fewer signals. Watching without commenting. Learning without announcing. Progress without posting. When you stop broadcasting, pressure fades. When you stop reacting, clarity returns. You regain something rare: mental ownership. The Shinobi principle remains unchanged. Those who observe quietly see patterns others miss.